Hi you guys, this is Queen Karate. I'm over here at Walgreens. I'm about to pick up a few items up out of here real quick. But look at some of these deals that they have going on. Oh, this is pretty. I might grab one of these as well. I don't even know what's the brand of it, but it is cute. It's on sale for $4.60. This is Pink Flare. Oh, it's Maybelline. Nothing can go wrong with Maybelline. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one of these, you guys. Check your stores because you might have some clearance items out here, you know. So I wasn't even coming in here for this, but I wanted it because I seen it. And I like my lipstick, lip gloss as well. See, you see how I got distracted as well? So things like this can happen when you come to the stuff, you know. Look, they done sold out of everything right here for $3.79. How y'all gonna sell that out? Oh, wow. Look at this. What is this? Okay, $3.29. Is this the one that I'm looking at? Look, I'm winning. This thing was normally $13.49. And guess what? I got one. I hope this the right one. Oh no. We'll see, because it says black. This actually says draw and fill rich brown. So that might not be the one, you guys, but we'll take it up in the front just to see if that is the one. Let's see what they got going on over here. Oh, okay. What is this? This is Stink Lip for $3.49. This might be cute, I guess. We'll see how that works. If it's not, we'll just give it away. You know, why not? Donate. Continue to do so. Let's see what else they got going on over here. You guys, look, they just sold out of that. 79¢. See what else they got. Again, hey you guys, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, notification bell on here. Okay, $3.79 for this. I'm winning. That was only $3, well, $14.99. Oh, wow. So I guess I'm gonna be spending extra money up in here today. I'm gonna just stay away from the nail stuff because I normally be going to go get my nails done, at least for now. Anyways, but gosh, I'm addicted to nail polish. I need some. Oh, but you know what? I'ma just not even grab any. Oh wow, look at this right here. Is this vegan? Yeah, that's vegan for $2.49, you guys. It was $9.99. Here's one. This plant-based for $2.49. That's a good deal right there. It's a cute color. Let's see how this looks. That is a cute color though. Oh, it's vegan. Yeah, vegan. I think I am gonna grab this for $2.49. You really can't beat. Might be one of those days where I wanna just do my own nails, okay? Wow. They done sold out of this stuff for 28¢. I see why. Can't really beat that for 28¢. Guys, let's see what's over here. Let's see. Did I miss anything over in the beauty section? Did we miss anything? Don't forget to hit that notification bell, you guys, so that you can stay updated with all of the greatest videos. I actually came in here for some Bounty and Charmin. I'm going to do that deal. But we're just going to continue to walk through for a second just to see if we're missing out on some that wasn't even advertised. You know, look at that. Wow. Whoever then bought this stuff, they was winning. 80 cents for some herbal essence. Check y'all stores because Walgreens got some great stuff going on. All these cleans. They're trying to get rid of inventory, you guys, so that they can make room for the new stuff. Look at all of this stuff. If you're into dyeing your hair, which that is sold out, I see why. Wow. $1.29. That was a great deal. And I don't even dye my hair, but I still thought it was a great deal. Oh wow, that would have been awesome if I could find that. I definitely love this cheap, but $1.69. Wow, winning. But they're out. Even at Nexus, they out. $1.79. So I came a little too late for the best deals. Over here, let's see what they got. Sold out. Okay, they got these poly bands, 22-cent small curl bands. I think they got these right here. Grab some, anyways. 22 cents. I could get these to my greenies. Yep. Let's see what they got going on. Okay, so just continue to walk through. Hey, let me see what they got going on over here. Alright. you're silly, King Karate. Did I miss anything in that area? That's the family planning. I'ma come down here then. So we actually in this area. Let's see what they got going on. Okay, they got Mr. Clean on sale for $2.69. Let's see what else they got. Okay, we still got a lot of cleaner stuff. Still got dishwasher items. So we good. We good. Oh, let's see. They got coupons on this stuff right here. Okay, these Febreze plugs on sale for $3.29. Really can't beat. It's Febreze $3.29. Really can't beat. We looking for the clearance. And if y'all hear a little sniffling, I don't have a cold, you guys, but my allergies are kind of flaring up, so that's what's going on. Look at all this stuff right here. Now here are some toys at 70% off. Do you guys see this stuff? Wow, that's awesome. I see that most of them are gone, but it's still fine. Some items 70% off. Really can't beat it. But you've already bought some toys for the great nieces and nephews, so they good. They should be good, but gosh, we should have waited until after Christmas and bought them up a toy then. But look at this. Is this on sale for $5.20? Wow, that's just amazing. You really can't beat this stuff, y'all. You really cannot. Alright, so that's it over in this area. So let's see. Then have you guys checked your Walgreens? If not, go ahead and check them because you might find some great sales. I mean, other than sales, I'm referring to clearance items. Clearance, you know. And let's see, I have a coupon. I'm actually in the wrong aisle, so let me get all back out of here. But I believe that I have a coupon that's saving, what, $6 off of some Advil, or maybe a leaf. I gotta check that leaf, guys. I gotta make sure. So you guys, you have to get 2 boxes of these and you'll save $6. So there we go. Here's our card. Alright, you guys, so come with me on over here to actually locate the Bounty and the Charmin. Yes. So, yes, you hear. King Karate just rejoined me for the second time. He just left me while I was looking at the beauty products he got missing on me. So, yes, he's back. But, yeah, I'm over here just looking just to see if they have my products. So, they have the Charmin. I was trying to locate the Bounty, but guess what? We're just going to get this Charmin right here because I really do not think that they have the Bounty that is included. But I am going to go ahead and take another look just to make sure that they had the kind that is on sale, because you know, if you buy 4 items, you'll get a $5 register rewards back. So yeah, I decided to grab these 2. And guess what? They are included. I didn't know for sure because I normally buy the other pack. And guess what? They right in the back of me. But you guys, thanks a lot for watching, sharing, comment, and subscribing. We definitely appreciate you guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next trip. Goodbye. Peace.